Alright guys, so here's what you're going to need. You're going to need a can of foam fill, which you can just pick up from, I got this from Bunnings here in Australia, which is just a hardware store. You're going to need some multi-purpose filler or like spack filler, wall filler, whatever they call that stuff. You're going to need some little cupcake tray things. You're going to need a glass mug. I've got a couple of sprinkles here. These are like a Halloween table sprinkle. I think I'm going to be using a couple of these. Some coloured paints in whatever colour you like. I'm going to be making like a latte coloured one for this, like a pumpkin spice sort of latte. So those kind of colours. I've also got white to put in for the icing and just a piping bag. So that's what you're going to need. And let's get started. Okay, so first things first, we're going to make our little cupcakes using this foam fill. I love using this stuff. It's so much fun. If you've seen my popcorn bin video, this is the stuff I used in that as well, to make the popcorn. So what you're going to do is you only want to put in a little bit because this stuff expands to 3 times the size. So Alright, so for our latte or pumpkin spice latte, what we're going to do is get some of this filler. So I'm just using this one, raw sienna, and I might mix a little bit of that hazelnut cream with it. Alright, that's not a bad colour, so we'll add our paste to that now. This is probably going to lighten it anyway, so we'll probably have to add a bit more colour. Alright, so I think I'm pretty happy with that colour now. We'll see how we go. Now, all we're going to do is take this spatula and we're going to smear this colour up the insides of the glass. So you just want to go around the outside of your glass, making sure you've got no spots that aren't covered. Okay, now what I'm going to do is just get a paper towel and we're just going to clean a lip around the top. Okay, so that's our coffee cup now. We're just going to let that dry. All right, so our latte mugs are all dry now. That's all hard in there. I've got my cupcakes at the back here now. They're all hard and they've risen. So we'll be doing those next. So first what we're going to do is just fill the mugs in the center with some aluminium foil. So what we're going to do now is get more of our multi-purpose filler. Just going to put it in a mixing cup and add a bit of white paint to it. Okay, so that's nice and white now. So what I'm going to do, because I don't actually have a piping bag, I'm just going to use a Ziploc bag. So here's my cupcakes and what would we call them? Pumpkin spice lattes, all ready for Halloween. Now, I'm not going to lie, guys. These looked a lot better in my head than they've actually turned out. But yeah, I think I might give them another go again at Christmas time. See if I can improve on my fake cake decorating skills. Yeah, this one was a pretty epic fail. I really don't like the look of that one at all. But yeah, so I think I'm just gonna, these I actually don't mind. I think they look quite realistic. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.